the car almost stuck because
Yes.
so many
Mud.
Yes.
Water in there.
yes. Hello, Mai. Hello. How are you? Khổ qua. This is we call bitter melon leaf. This is the leaf right on top. This is actually what we use. You can use this to stir fry. You can use this for soup. So you like if you have a little bit of like shrimp, we like to do shrimp. Stir fry the shrimp, put some soup in there, you know, like chicken broth, and then you throw this in. It's really good, especially around this season right now. I have the entire farm of bitter melon behind me, and then this is the best season that you can actually pick out you know, the top of the leaf out. Just about this size is good. See, it's really juicy, and you can make into soup. So that's the bitter melon leaf for today. Watermelon, young watermelon. What Vietnamese does with them, mostly we can make them into like salad, but you can make them into like stew soup, and usually we're gonna stew them with like pork shoulder, pork leg, pork feet, right? And actually the flavor is really good. So that's young watermelon for, because usually you don't have to wait for watermelon to be like you know, ready and wrapped for you to eat. You can actually treat them as like a swat when they still young. So that's watermelon, young watermelon for. White eggplant is actually one of most favorite Vietnamese favorite food. What we do with this, we actually usually we steam them, and after that we fry them, and you fry them and you eat them with like a soy sauce with garlic. Oh, fish sauce okay, but I rather eat this one with soy sauce and garlic. This is one of my favorite. What does Vietnamese does with cabbage? Cabbage, usually we're gonna slide them out and we make them into salad. Any kind of salad, especially like chicken or pork or shrimp, we like to have very thin slice of cabbage into it. Besides that, we also slide them thin so we can eat them with soup, especially bún bò Huế spicy Huế soup. Is for me, I had to have this. It's just like crunchy. The texture and the flavor is complement the soup really well. So that's what cabbage for. Oh much. This is my home. I can live here every day. It just I feel so comfortable. If you put me in the middle of city, crowded Toronto, I don't feel belong. But somehow here, I feel so belong. This is young leaf bean. So what we do with young leaf bean, beside the bean that's already mature enough, that you actually can use this one and put them into your stew, in your soup, you know, a lot of things. It's really really good. Beside that, you can use the young leaf, you can stir fry with garlic. Oh, so good. Ta-da! Long bean. Long bean is very popular bean that Asian using, especially Vietnamese. What we use long bean for? We actually slice this one out a little bit thin, and then we stir fry them with like pork, shrimp, chicken, beef, lamb, you name it. But we love this, and you can eat them fresh like this. You make them into salad, or you actually can put them into stew as well. So that's what long bean for. Young cilantro. This is one of the most popular herb that's Vietnamese cooking cuisine must have. What do we use cilantro for? The leaf, young leaf cilantro. Oh, it smells so good. So we put them on salad, on soup, on stir fry, any kind of topping. This is the most popular topping for us, just to top it up to make the food more flavorful. And beside that, the seed from cilantro, when it dry out, we use that to put them into soup as well, especially pho. When we cook pho or other curry, we use cilantro seed, smash it out, and then we marinate with the meat. It gives the most beautiful, flavorful flavor ever. That's the cilantro for. Spinach. So this is Asian spinach. What do we do with Asian spinach? We love this one so much in soup. We also treat them as like regular vegetable, especially if you have like hot pot. This is very good vegetable for you to dip with. So when we cook soup, usually we cook them with like shrimp, and then you also mix them with other vegetable as well. But this one go on its own is already amazing. They give you a little bit that like slamming texture, but actually really good with shrimp. That's Asian spinach.